Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And now tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo, and this is what you will see after entering the contact section. So simply tap on add picture or this circle, and you will be transferred to those three different categories. Let's start with the illustrations. If you do not have any kind of photo of the person you'd like to customize the contact, or you're not able to take a photo right now, I highly recommend to choose something from the illustrations, because as you can see here we've got some online graphics which are really cool, they are really beautiful, and I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something suitable. There, the Google Photos, which basically contains the photos which has been backed up, and the device photos, where you've got the camera option. So this is the best option if you've got the person right in front of you, and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her immediately, or you can choose the photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option. So let me find the photo. Let's tap on it, and here in this tab we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what will we see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position the photo just like you want to in the circle, and then tap on choose if you're ready. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. So if you are happy with your choice, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will also be able to see the photo on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.